You know, making content isn't actually hard. It's everything around it that makes it exhausting. Coming with ideas, editing, posting, checking analytics, trying to stay consistent. What if all that just handled itself? Because I found something that actually tries to do that. And I want to show you what it looks like. So guys, this is Ribbi, and instead of over-explaining it, I'm just going to go through it and show you how it works while actually using it. Because if this does what it claims, this is kind of like an OpenClaw moment, but for creators instead of developers. Alright guys, so this is the dashboard, and the first thing that stands out is that everything is connected here. You've got content creation, you've got video generating, captions, scheduling, analytics, all in one place, as you can see right here, and it's very easy to access everything. Normally, this would be spread across multiple apps, editing tools, schedulers, analytics platforms, but here it's all a part of one system. So guys, this is to build a full loop. Where you generate something, it gets posted, performance is tracked, and then the next content improves based on that. So guys, instead of doing things manually over and over again, you're building something that kind of runs and evolves on its own. Alright, so let's try something simple, and I'm gonna type 3 short videos about study tips for students. So guys, as you can see, this is giving me actual concepts, not just ideas, but hooks, structure, even how the video should play out. So as we can see right here, and let's generate them right now. So guys, here we have it. It generated everything, text, overlays, pacing, everything is already there, and this is basically ready to post. So this alone would save a lot of time. As we can see here, we have 3 different videos, so let's check one of them and see what it done.
You know what? Reading something 10 times is less effective than testing yourself once. Many people, everything looks familiar, but your brain is actually fooling you. What do I mean? When you keep seeing the same content, your brain develops what's called cognitive fluency, that feeling of familiarity where you think past a store every day. More effective? It's active recall. After reading a find yourself stumbling or can't recall everything, but it's incredibly effective. Your brain is working hard to search for information. You recall something, those neural connections get stronger. So next time you study, try this. After reading a section, cover the content and where you get stuck is exactly what you need to review. That's real efficiency.
And guys, this is amazing. The videos are looking great and they are ready to post, so I really love the way they've done it. Everything looks so smooth and simple. At the same time, it's so complex, and also I love what they've done. So this is a video ready to post on TikTok or any other platforms for social media. Also, instead of stopping here, I'm just gonna generate more variations, and let's type just give us some more variations. Press enter, generate, and let's see what it will do. Okay, so he asked how many variations do we need, so I asked for 3 more, and here are the finished videos, different variations and new topics as well. So as we can see, I've got multiple variations of the same idea but different topics, which is actually how content usually improves, just testing different versions, and normally that will take hours to film and edit, but here it's just done in a few seconds. And let's play one and see how they've done it this time. So let's try this one and see what it does.
The best way to know if you truly understand something, your Nobel Prize winning physicist, you can break down. That doesn't mean you actually get it. Real understanding. The process is straight. Zero background knowledge, no jargon, no technical terms, just plain everyday language. Explain a certain hide gaps in your gaps, go. Then try the magic of this thing you don't understand.
So guys, this is looking really good, and we can see some improvements as well. And by the way, if you want to try it yourself, check in the link in the description. If you're trying to stay consistent or just save time, this is definitely something worth checking out. And now guys, this is the part I was actually curious about, because creating content is one thing, but what happens after that? So instead of manually scheduling everything, I can literally just tell it something like post this every day on TikTok. So let's do that. So guys, we can see that it turns that into an automatic task. Like you can see it gets pinned right here. Also it just turns in the background. So now it's not just creating content, it's posting it, tracking how it performs, and then feeding that back into the next content automatically. You can see that it asked us even at what hour do we need to get the post. So it prepared everything, and here we have the final result. And now guys, let's ask it to help us post this on TikTok every day, and let's press enter. Oh, that's so nice, and it even shows us how it will look before posting. So here it is, you can publish from here and so on. Now let's ask it to help me monitor performance and improve the post this every day. Let's press generate, and we've got it here. So this is going to keep posting and improving on its own, and I don't even have to come back and do this again. So it's basically creating, posting, tracking and improving automatically. And that's guys what makes this feel different, because it's not just a tool, it's a full workflow that keeps running. And the more I look at it, the more it feels like it's less about doing things faster and more about seeing up a system that compounds every time. It starts picking up your style. You can even reuse workflow instead of starting from zero, and once you set these automated tasks, it can just keep going in the background. So instead of constantly thinking what do I post today, you're building something that keeps producing, posting and evolving. If OpenClaw changes how developers automate workflow, this feels like that same idea but applied to content creation. Everything is connected, everything is improving over time. So guys, I'm probably gonna keep experimenting with this and see how far it can actually go. Maybe even let it run everything for a few days and see what happens. Let me know if you want to see that, and don't forget to check out all the links in the description. Don't forget about the coupon, and also don't forget to give it a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and also leave a comment down below of your opinion on this project. And guys, with that being said, hope you enjoyed the video, hope you liked it, and guys, I'll see you next time. Peace.